We are sorry to interrupt this program on this AT&T network channel. At this time, we are bringing you a message from the emergency alert system. This is not a test. Important details will follow. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following counties: Terrace, Woodburn, Dearwood, Franklin, Clayton, Russell, and Arlington County, until 9:38 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:34 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado capable of producing golf ball-sized hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. This tornado was located about 10 miles north of West Pennington, or about 5 miles northwest of Donnersville. The tornado will be near Northwestern City by 8:40 p.m., West Pennington by 8:45 p.m., Harnsville by 8:50 p.m., Eastport City by 8:55 p.m., Central City by 9 p.m., Jonesburg by 9:05 p.m., Donnersville by 9:15 p.m., and by Fort Harrington by 9:25 p.m. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a reinforced building. If no shelter is available, lay flat in the nearest ditch and cover your head. Repeat, the National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following counties: Terrace, Woodburn, Dearwood, Franklin, Clayton, Russell, and Arlington County, until 9:38 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Thanks for being a loyal customer of this AT&T network channel, but an emergency has happened. To find out more on this emergency, go to the web or check out CNN, MSNBC, Fox News, the Weather Channel, Headline News, or your local channel. To find out the latest on this emergency, we now resume normal programming on this AT&T network channel.